Hi, I'm Dr. Kofi Bediako, Senior Researcher, Postdoctoral Research Fellow at the Center for the Advancement of Scholarship at the University of Pretoria. I am originally from Ghana, and my research focuses on transitional justice, peace building, truth commissions, and the politics of knowledge production in Africa. What draws me to this work is a long-standing interest in how societies respond to historical injustice, especially in contexts where the language of justice travels across international, national, and local spaces. I am interested in who gets to define justice, whose knowledge counts, and how institutions shape the possibilities and limits of repair. I believe that transitional justice must be understood not only as a set of legal or institutional mechanisms, but also as a deeply political and epistemic process. The reason why I think this matters is questions of justice after mass atrocities are never only about the past. They shape how societies imagine responsibility, belonging, and the future. At CAS, what I find valuable is the opportunity to think beyond the boundaries of a single discipline. My work sits at the intersection of political science, international relations, African studies, peace building, law, and history. That cross-disciplinary conversation has deepened my approach to transitional justice by helping me think more carefully about institutions, knowledge, power, and the everyday meanings of justice in the African context. The one thing that I would want people to take away from my research is that justice cannot be meaningful if it is detached from the people, histories, and forms of knowledge it claims to serve. And right now, what excites me most is the opportunity to develop work that connects transitional justice to wider debates on epistemic accountability, institutional responsibility, and Africa's place in shaping global conversations on peace and justice.